LigoWave External Controller. First, we are going to install the controller on our server. The controller can be downloaded from ligowave.com under Products and then Infinity Controller. There is a Windows virtual image as well as a Linux version. Once the server has been installed, power up the server. Log in. The default username is NFT. The default password is admin01. Log into the web interface with the username and password that you set up when you created the server. Select or create an organization. Click on Networks to set up a network to register devices to. Click on Create Network. Give the network a name and assign to the parent ID. Then click Register Network. Let's make some changes to the newly created network prior to registering devices. Click on Wireless, the default SSID of Infinity. Let's change the SSID to a custom SSID. Now add security to the link. Click on Update Virtual Access Point and save changes. From the overview screen, you can see we have no devices registered. Let's configure the first access point. Click on I agree to terms and then hit Next. Select Cloud AP External. Then click Next. Organizational ID is located in the upper right-hand corner of the controller. Copy the organizational ID and paste it into the organizational ID box of the access point. Copy the URL from the controller and paste into the URL box of the access point. Be sure to put the URL with just the name or the IP address only. If the device is connected directly to your computer and you hit Test, you will not be able to reach the controller site. Click Finish to save the settings. Connect the access point to the live network. When the controller detects the access point, there will be an exclamation point in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the exclamation point and select the device that needs to be registered. Select the network that we created earlier and click Register. As the access point receives the configuration, it will temporarily show down. Once it's back up, you can log into the access point to check the settings. Log into the access point using the IP address shown within the controller. If you check your controller settings, you will notice that it's set up as a cloud access point with the correct URL and organizational ID. When you hit Test at this point, it is able to successfully locate the controller. Let's click on the guest network and make a change. Select the guest SSID under the network and change the SSID to Office Guest. Click on Update Virtual Access Point and save changes. Log back into the access point. You can now see that the SSID has been changed to Office Guest. One of the many benefits of the controller is that you only have to manually configure one access point. Now that the access point has been configured, all new access points can be opened brand new from the box and plugged into the live network. You can register each device individually or turn on auto register and all devices will be automatically registered to that network.